Tell me, how does that taste?
Very good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, right?
Yep.
Hare Krishna.
Kanya! You brought all this?
For Trim Festival of Love. You filming that too, Prabhu?
Yes.
Much love.
Temple Lord Jagannath Dev in the road. So no other god in coming road. Everyone going for
Chant!
How many times? All the time.
All the time. 16 rounds every day and then forever. Haribol.
Then you get the mercy, right?
Then you get the mercy. Srila Prabhupada ki jai!
Welcome guys. We're at the 54th annual Chariot Fest. Happens every year almost in the second week of July. This year it's happening on July 11th and 12th. It's a festival. Take 3 chariots down Yonge Street, the longest street in the world, and we go all the way to Front Street on Lakeshore. Guys, this is the best juice you're gonna taste right here. Come. This is the rose water. Come, guys. Tell me, how does that taste?
Very good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, right?
Yep.
You want water? They also have water.
No pani.
How is it?
Very good.
Very good?
Very good.
This is the best, guys.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Hare Rama, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna
seen God a lot, but Jagannath Dev with his brother and sister, they're coming road for everyone can see them. Jai Jagannath.
Haribo. Hare Krishna. See that, guys? All free water. Look at this. Unlimited. I have, my friend. I'm just. Yes, I have. It's free, right?
Yes, all free.
All free. All free. Look at this. Do you know anyone know this guy here? Do you know this guy? Who is this guy? Haribo! I know this guy. Haribo, man.
Good to see you.
You started a hair cutting place?
Deep.
Oh, Deep. Okay. I thought it was you. Okay, let me check.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oh, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oh, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
is back with Raptors now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's official? Are you happy?
Are you happy? What's your opinion on him?
It's great. It's great to have him back. You know?
Why? Why?
It's good for the city. It's good for the everybody's gonna love the game.
Okay.
Now it's got a lot of people coming to watch the game.
Do you think they're gonna get to the playoffs this year? What's
Yeah,
your
we have
pick?
chances.
You have a chance
With Scotty Burns and Kawhi. It's a good combo.
with Krishna as well.
Yes, absolutely.
You should give him Bhagavad Gita.
Let's
Please,
go. Let
please.
him come. We
You should.
Yeah, give Scotty a Bhagavad
I will.
Gita.
Yes, am I right?
Yes,
Every
yes,
player
yes.
should have one in the locker room
Leave it in
and
the
at
locker
home.
room.
Yes.
Leave it in
Right?
the locker room.
Where they read it, they
Absolutely,
because as
absolutely.
soon as they touch it, that's Krishna,
They're gonna win.
right?
Yes. Just like yesterday, Argentina won.
See, Argentina won the cup.
No,
No,
they
they
went
won
to
the game. They won the game.
Oh,
Like, I mean, there are a lot of this year FIFA is too much rigged.
too much.
Like,
The calls are bad, huh? Lots of bad calls.
I wanted Egypt to win.
they were
Yeah.
win. That was their game. They
Yeah.
should have won it. This
Yeah.
is their game.
Egypt should have won it.
FIFA wanted Messi to go in the final.
Yeah.
There will be. It's good for the business, right? Everybody wants.
They need a big team.
Yeah, I think are they trying to put France and Argentina
What
in
moment?
the final?
Don't get some good footage there, right? Let's see.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.